Okay class, today I want to teach you to get the answer for Z score by using calculator rather than by using table. Okay, now here is the question. PZ more than 0.235, make sure that the letter is Z, and the diagram will be like this because it is a positive 0.235 more than the shaded region will be on the right side of the normal table. So now let's say here is the normal table, normal graph. Okay, the usual normal graph will be drawn like this. Okay, and we can divide by 3 parts of the shaded region, which is left side, middle side, and right side. Okay, and we put it as symbol P, Q, and R. P is left side, Q is in the middle, okay, from here until here, and R is the right side of the normal graph. Okay, now this question is Z more than 0.235, which is the shaded region is on the right, where the region is region R. Okay, now we go to our calculator. Okay, this time I use the Casio FX570MS. Okay, go to your on button and then wait now, I'm finding the right side so that the video will be more sharp. Okay, now press mode. Okay, 2 times mode, we choose SD. SD 1. Okay, SD 1, and then we can see here mode SD. And then now we are doing normal distribution, right? So that it is a shift 3. Why shift 3? Because right here is distribution, shift 3. Then we can see here is a PQR. That is the diagram of a normal curve for the left, middle, and right shaded region. Okay, now our shaded region is region R. Okay, so we choose R. Okay, button 3. Okay, we choose button 3, and then we will show R. R number is, the Z score is 0.235. Okay, we press 0.235 and then button bracket. Okay, and then when we finish, we press equal. The answer will be 0.4071, which is the answer by using table like just now I teach you. The answer is 0.4071, which is we get from the table like this. Okay, 0.23. Okay, the number is 0.4090, and then since the number is the last number is 5, okay, 0.235, the last number is 5, so we minus 19. Okay, this one, the number 0.4090 minus 0.0019. The number 19 here is 0.0019. The answer we will get 0.4071. Okay, same like what we get from the calculator. So make sure, students, you have to know that since we can get the answer easier by using calculator, you still have to learn and understand how to get the answer by using table, class? Okay, because in a reverse way, okay, vice versa, in the reverse way, we cannot use calculator. Okay, in reverse way, for example, we are given 0.4079 in the question, and you have to get number 0.235. Okay, from this number, if question give you this number and question asks you how to get 0.235, we cannot use calculator. We must use table. Okay, in this way, calculator cannot use to get 0.235, okay, from this figure, because not enough scientific for the calculator. Okay, we must use the more advanced calculator to get the answer, so that